front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20e, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and choose Advanced Features over here. Then you need to scroll all the way down and choose Dual Messenger. Following that, click on one of your available apps, in my case Facebook, to clone it. Now select Install and tap on Confirm. If you wish to use a separate contact list, you can do that by choosing this switcher over here and selecting Next. If you don't, just click on Next right away. Now choose Yes in this pop-up and wait a bit. Finally, when I go back and try to access Facebook app, I can see that mine was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!